Hey guys, welcome to this new AirTag guide, and here I'll detail how to connect AirTag to iPhone after pulling tab. So if you pull the tab when you are trying to unbox the new AirTag now and your iPhone is nowhere close, but you need to connect the AirTag to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Literally, when you pull the tab from the AirTag, it's going to connect the AirTag and the battery together. The AirTag is used to protect the battery from running without using the AirTag. But when it is pulled, then there's another way you can use to connect the AirTag and your iPhone together. So basically, you want to drop the AirTag very close to your iPhone, then grab your iPhone. Once you grab your iPhone, go ahead and search for Find My on your iPhone and open it. Now, once you open the Find My, if you're on People's page, just come here and click on Items. Then you're going to see that you don't have any item here. So you are yet to connect your AirTag and your iPhone together. Then go ahead and click on Add Item. Then once you click on Add Item, you'll be prompted to add AirTag. Now make sure your AirTag and your iPhone are very close or within the Bluetooth range. So once that is done, go ahead and click on Add AirTag. Then you should see your iPhone searching for available AirTag without. After pulling the tab, then go ahead and click on Connect. Then once you hit the connect button, you'll be prompted to select the name of your AirTag. Then you can select from the options available here, and then you can also create a custom name. So here I'm going to use keys. Now once you select the keys or jacket, headphone, umbrella, or whatsoever, just go ahead and click on continue. Then you'll be prompted to agree to this time and continue that AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. If you want to continue, just go ahead and click on agree. Then you should see the AirTag connecting to your iPhone using the Apple ID, and it's going to show the name as the item name you selected. So just hang on, this is going to take a couple of seconds, and after that the AirTag will be connected to your iPhone after pulling the tag. So once you see connecting, that shows the AirTag and your iPhone are connected together. Then you'll be able to track your AirTag with your iCloud account or any other Apple devices with the same iCloud account. So just keep hanging on as this try to connect to the AirTag after you might have pulled the tab. Then once you hear a chime from the AirTag that shows that the AirTag is not connected, then you can fill in Find My or click on Done. Then this is it. So is that? This is now your AirTag and it has been connected to your iPhone. So that is basically how to connect AirTag to iPhone after pulling tab. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.